Hello viewers, this is one of the assignments from carbon and its compound, and it is beneficial for both ICSE and CBSE students class 10. The first question is name the groups which are given. So first one OH is alcohol and the second one is carboxylic. What is the difference in the molecular formula of the two consecutive members of homologous series of organic compound? So we know in homologous series there is a difference of CH2 formula. Next is what is a chemical test to distinguish between saturated and unsaturated? So here you can either write that the saturated one will not give decolorization with bromine water, whereas the other one, that is the unsaturated one, will get decolorized on adding bromine water. Or you can write that unsaturated one will become decolorized on adding potassium permanganate. Means when you are going to add potassium permanganate, the color will of KMNO4 will disappear. Next is name the product formed when ethanol burns in air. So we know it is CO2 and water along with heat would be evolved. Two forms of energy liberated on burning alcohol. So one is heat, other is light. Why the reaction between methane and chlorine is considered to be substitution? Because we know that here one of the hydrogens would be replaced by the chlorine group, and this reaction will go on till all of the hydrogen of the methane are replaced by chlorine. Next is why covalent compounds generally are poor conductor, because they don't have free electrons present. Next, name the compound. So this is propanone. C part, the gas evolved when ethanoic acid is added to sodium carbonate, so it would be carbon dioxide. How would you prove the presence? So you will write that if we pass this gas through lime water, it turns milky. Next is what is a functional group? What is meant by functional group in an organic compound? Name the functional group present in. So basically functional group is the one which is going to change the property of whole of the compound and of the organic compound basically. So exact definition you can prefer from your respective books. Name the functional group present in this. The first one you can see OH is there, so OH means alcohol, and the second one COH would be again carboxylic group. What is the point difference between soap and detergent? So you can write there that soap is biodegradable and less harmful to the environment compared to synthetic detergent, which is non-biodegradable and more harmful. Also you can write soap doesn't work in hard water, whereas synthetic detergents, they do work in the hard water. Give reason for the following observation. Element carbon forms a very large number of compounds. So here you will explain about its tetravalency, that is it has valency of 4, and again the property that is catenation. B part, air holes of the gas burner have to be adjusted when heat vessels get blackened by the flame. So why we have to adjust? So that more amount of oxygen could be supplied and burning of the carbon compound can take place easily. Synthetic detergent cause pollution, yeah, that we know, because why? They are non-biodegradable. What is a homologous series? So where each of the compound differ from the previous one by CH2 unit. Again the exact definition you can refer from your respective book. Okay, now they are saying which of the following belongs to the same homologous. So there you are going to find the difference in CH2 if it is there. So if I see this one here, you will see there is not difference of CH2 unit. If we check this one, difference of one carbon, no, of course not this one. And if I check these two, so you can see one carbon difference is there, two hydrogen difference is there, and oxygen is same. So yes, it is an example of homologous. So answer would be C2H6O and CH4O. Next is an organic compound. An organic compound A is essential constituent of wine and beer. Oxidation of A yields an organic acid B, which is present in vinegar. Name the compound A and B and write their structural formula. So they're saying oxidation of A yield to acid B. So of course A would be ethanol and B would be, I'll write here, A would be ethanol and B oxidation leads to this. Which oxidation? normally they have written. And they are saying that what happens to A and B reacts with each other in presence of catalyst. So B would be ethanoic acid, and in presence of a catalyst, acid catalyst, maybe H2SO4, they lead to formation of esters. So equation you can write easily, that is C2H5OH plus CH3COOH gives CH3COOC2H5 plus water, and this takes place in presence of a catalyst H2SO4. Yeah, and now next is MCQs. So you can just give a try to the MCQs. Yes, these are the MCQs.